This is your weekly real estate update for the greater Portland, Maine area. These are median numbers for closed sales in the last 7 days. So days on market went up a little bit to 27 median days on market. The list to sale ratio was at 99, before that 100, before that 99, we're back at 100. So if you listed your house in the last 30 or 40 days, you probably got very close to what you were asking for it. The median sold price dropped a little bit to 432 500, 432,500. And then the 30-year fixed dropped down a little bit, 7.06%. Of course, the US annual inflation still at 2.9%. Important to keep in mind there is where were we at last year? So last year, year over, we were at 3.35%. So definitely in a better spot, but still not close to that 2% number that the Fed wants to see. So what else happened in the US economy this week? Well, we got some more rental numbers. Apartment inventory continues to climb nationally, especially in some of these specific metros. And the month over month asking prices of apartment dropped again, 0.2%. So month after month, we keep seeing that price eke down a little bit. And also the vacancy reached a new peak of 6.9%, and that's nationally. And then in some of these metros, it's even more impactful. So in Denver, you saw rental prices decrease 6.3%, and you saw in Austin 4.5%. So some of these metros are really having to bring down their prices to get people in there, and they're still experiencing vacancy. And in some areas, renters are getting free months, they're getting free parking, more inventory when demand has flattened out equals better situation for renters in certain areas. Other big news this past week. So DeepSeek, which is in that AI space, same space as NVIDIA, same space as OpenAI, they came out this week. And when they did, there was a huge sell-off in NVIDIA. I think a lot of people were trying to catch the wave that they had with NVIDIA and get in earlier. So NVIDIA dropped 17%. The Treasury note also had a lot of movement in it. And why is this important to us in real estate? So if there's movement in the Treasury note, that obviously affects American debt, and that obviously affects what the Fed wants to do with the rates, and that trickles down to mortgage rates. So it's worth sort of keeping an eye on what is going on in the AI space and how is it affecting the implementation of US capital in general. In Maine, I think that we're still looking at a great spring. I think inventory is going to continue to increase over the next couple of months. I think rates are going to continue to maintain and not really change that much. And I think it's going to be a great time to get out there, buy a house, and actually have some stability in the market. Have a great week. If you have questions, reach out, and I will talk to you soon.